ago, it wasn't that long, but a long time ago, when Juicy J was in 11th grade. You're like, woo!
Funny, right?
I was in 11th grade. I wrote a song called Slob on My Knob.
Slop on my knob, like corn on the cob. Check in with me and do your job.